Hello friends, my name's Mike. Welcome back to Nowhere Bound, and today we're headed to Amish country in the middle of Ohio. I needed a break from wild camping this winter, so I decided to spoil myself and book a night at this RV resort where I had an indoor pool, a hot tub, and an arcade all to myself. I'll be playing Superbikes 3. Normally I prefer the solitude of the forest when I'm camping, but at this time of year, this resort fits the bill. On the way to the campsite, I'm going to visit my friend Sam, who lives nearby.
It is, man.
Good to see you, Mike.
Good to see you.
He's a YouTuber with a premium firewood business, and he's going to teach me how to operate an excavator. Then I'm going to go have dinner with my son Gavin, who also lives nearby. There's a lot happening, so I decided to leave Juniper at home this time. Goodbye, girls. At the end of the video, I'll tell you about a really cool experience that I had on this trip. Thanks for joining me on this adventure into Amish country. First things first, we got to make a quick fuel stop. I would not have been able to navigate this gas station in a large travel trailer, no way.
Morning.
How you doing?
You have a YouTube channel.
I do.
Yeah. Hey, I want to meet you.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Son of a gun. Oh, I watched you in there a couple weeks ago. My name is Mark. Yes. I live around here. I work down the road here.
Cool.
Yeah, I saw your little camera stuff and that little camper thing and the Jeep, and I thought, that's the guy who goes out and camps in the evenings. I watched one the other day. It was like 20 degrees. It was cold. It was cold. You do good with it.
Thank you, man.
Tell me what your name is.
My name's Mike.
Mike.
Yeah.
I'm Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you.
Yes. Okay. Awesome. Thanks, Mike. Thank you. Yeah. Like I said, I just watched you. It was within 10 days ago. I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. So you're doing good things. Mike, I will pray for you, and I hope you have great success. Okay, buddy? Yes, sir. Very good to meet you.
Keep watching the videos.
I will. You wait till I tell my family. Man, I met somebody. It wasn't Elvis, but I met somebody famous.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, Mike, keep doing good.
Take care. Just met my first subscriber to the channel out in the field. That was pretty cool. It was nice meeting you. Today is the day after the Super Bowl Monday. And I heard that Starbucks gives you a free coffee today. And I'm passing Sheetz right now, which is very difficult for me to do in order to find the Starbucks. I'll have a tall with cream. That's all.
You want that hot?
Yes, please. As soon as I pulled into Sam's driveway, the camera on the teardrop died. It finally succumbed to all of the abuse on the highway with the winds and the freezing temperatures. But don't worry, it'll work again when it warms up. There he is!
Hey, nice day, isn't it?
It is, man.
Good to see you, Mike.
Good to see you.
Hey, welcome.
This is where Sam does stuff.
This is where Sam does stuff most of the time.
It looks just like it looks on YouTube. It's great, man.
Yeah.
My friend Sam has a YouTube channel called Sam's Doing Stuff. The channel focuses on projects that he does around his property, as well as his firewood business. I've been friends with Sam for many years, long before either one of us were on YouTube. I haven't seen him for quite a while, so it was great to stop by for a visit. We spent a lot of time catching up. I gave him a tour of the Teardrop Camper for his channel, and then he did something really crazy. He let me operate his excavator, and I've never operated one before in my life.
As long as you're not driving it off a cliff, you're going to be fine.
I watch your channel religiously, so I got this.
Okay, you got it.
Without breaking anything or hurting anybody, I'm gonna bring you a log.
Okay, bring it.
Here we go.
If you have any questions, make sure you let me know.
Whoa. That was the wrong handle.
You said you got it.
I meant to do that.
Yeah, of course. All right, you just got to swing it around this way and keep it about that height.
If I swing it out, can I do a reverse wheelie?
You could sure do it. I don't know if that's enough weight.
Oh. All right, here it comes. You ready?
I'm ready. Bring it nice and easy. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. A little more. Right about there is good. Let's cut this baby up.
Operating the excavator was a lot of fun, but the only time I got nervous was when Sam was chopping up these logs with the chainsaw. If I had bumped the controls a little bit, I was worried he was going to get hurt. So thankfully the machine has a brake that disables all of the controls. And that was the first thing I did when I parked here. Is that dangerous? Or we'll just stack them on top.
That's a nice little
It's versatile space.
yeah.
And that's one reason I didn't permanently mount a refrigerator on a drawer.
Right.
I like having options.
I couldn't agree more with that.
It was really nice seeing Sam. It's been quite a few years since we've hung out, and it's always good to catch up with old friends. We are all set up here at the Evergreen RV Resort. I'm hooked into shore power. I haven't done that in a while. I am using the furnace that came with the camper. Setup was really easy getting here. And I think this camper is the dirtiest thing in this park because look at all the road dirt and salt. This park is very, very clean. The lobby and the check-in area, the office was super nice. I mean, I can't get over it. And since it's the off season, there's no one really here, which I like. But I'm really curious about this pool. It's nice that they parked me. They gave me a spot right across the street, literally from the restrooms. I'm digging this. So we have to figure out how to get into the pool area. I think it's right on the other side. Pool entrance, game entrance. Oh my goodness. I'll be playing Superbikes 3. I feel like I have this whole place to myself. It's amazing. This is what I call camping. Let's check out this pool. Are you kidding me right now? My old tired bones are going to be floating in that pool. Happy Mike. That is the pool. there's my camp spot. And it's below freezing. Winter time. You can tell by the ice. This is just what the doctor ordered. Now it's time to go meet my son Gavin for dinner at Cracker Barrel. Horse and buggy are very, very common around here. Something that's pretty unique to this area of the country. I like it.
We had some overtime.
I'm not getting you in the shot. I don't, but I just need a $50 gift card, please.
$50. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
All right, Gavin, I love you.
You too.
Great to see you, son.
Good to see you too.
Bye, Gavin.
Bye.
I'm really blessed with a couple of awesome boys. This is what I've been waiting for all day. I have this pool and that hot tub all to myself. It's 23 degrees outside right now. This is awesome. This is camping. I built this place all to myself. This place is pretty legit. Not the camping experience I'm used to, but I could get used to it. Well, that was an awesome swim and soak in the hot tub. And I'm back in the camper now, ready to turn in. It's nice and cold outside and it's warm in here. The electric heater is doing a good job. Not quite as good as the diesel heater, but you know, as long as we're above 20 degrees, the electric heater will do fine. We're plugged into shore power, spoiling ourselves a little bit. After those last few videos I did where I was struggling out in the cold, this is nice for a change. So we have a big day tomorrow. In the morning, we'll do some Amish stuff. I'll show you a little bit around this Amish country out here in Ohio. Amish country has a lot to offer. It's a beautiful area, very simple living out here, and we're going to explore it a little bit in the morning. But I also have a special surprise after that, so stay tuned. Yeah, I'm feeling good. So good night, everybody. I'll see you in the morning. It is a cold morning and I need some coffee. So that's where we're going now. I don't feel like making coffee in the camper this morning. So we're gonna drive around and see if we can find something. Just a quarter mile from the Evergreen is this Red Tomato Market, and I didn't want to film in there because I don't think Amish people like to be photographed, and I was a little self-conscious. I was the only non-Amish person in the store. They were just opening and getting everything ready, but wow, it's such a quaint little store, and I think these kinds of stores are all over the place out here. They have a fresh breakfast counter, and they had a coffee bar, thankfully. But I got myself a sausage, egg, and cheese muffin made fresh, and I am really hungry right now. That'll do the job. Evergreen Resort, great place. I had a great time. I'm definitely coming back, but now we are on our way to the big surprise, and I'm really stoked about this. This was a last minute thing. I stumbled upon it out of pure dumb luck, which seems to be the story of my life. Well, the big surprise for the end of the video is that I went on a tour of the new camp factory. It is the factory where my little teardrop camper was built, and I got to see how the process goes and watch them actually build the campers there. Man, what a cool experience that was, but it's gonna have to wait until next week because we're out of time. One more thing. I have this Cracker Barrel gift card. It's worth $50. I bought it last night when I was with my son at Cracker Barrel. And that gift card is going to be yours, maybe. If you're a member of Patreon and you are a paid subscriber, you have a very good chance of winning that gift card. The drawing is going to be on March 7th at 7 p.m. It's going to also be our first live YouTube live stream. So even if you're not a Patreon member, I hope to see you at the live stream. Make sure you watch next week's video. It's going to be awesome. Thank you to all the Patreon subscribers. I really do appreciate your support. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel and all that fun stuff. I had a great time in this video. I hope you did too. Be well to each other. Get outside, and I will see you nowhere soon. Thanks, everybody. Take care.